reaction to, reason for, receipt for, recipe for, recommendation for, on, about, recovery from, reduction in, reference to, relationship between, relationship to, relationship with, relief of, from, remedy for, reply to, report of, on, about, reputation for, of, request for, research on, into, resistance to, respect for, response to, responsibility for, responsibility to, rest from, rest of, restriction on, result of, reward for, right to, rise in, room for, satisfaction from, of, satisfaction with, take satisfaction in, search for, in search of, sensitivity to, share in, share of, significance for, significance of, skill in, at, smell of, solution to, space between, space for, specialist in, speculation about, speculation in, statistics on, story about, of, struggle against, struggle for, struggle with, subscription to, substitute for, success in, suggestion for, about, on, surprise for, surprise at, sympathy for,